Hi, Scott Doolan at MarineMax at Dallas. We're going to take a look at a Grand Mariner 250. So this one was ordered with the new V10 350 horsepower Merc, so great performance on this one. This is the SL floor plan, our most popular floor plan by far. So this back seat will hinge and flip either like this, or you can remove a cushion and this will go all the way down flat to be a full sun pad also. The other thing is really nice too, if you flip it all the way down flat, these are on ratchets, so you can flip up all three of these and use them as a forward-facing chase, which is really popular. Storage underneath all of the seats, including those back three. There is a built-in cooler underneath the back seat, back here right next to double USB ports, 12-volt charger, so if you want to plug in like an inflator to inflate a tube, something along those lines, you've got it. Remote control for the stereo back here, as well as another remote control for the stereo back on the back by the swim up, so you can step up on that submersible swim seat, change the stereo while everyone's swimming around the back of the boat. Power ion tower, you can control the color of these lights as well as all the other lights inside the boat. There's a little tab that will come up here on your dash that you can use. Bring up a little painter's wheel and change the color to anything you like as far as dimming it all. So here's your little painter's wheel. If you want to take these purple lights and make them blue, you can make them blue, make them green, yellow, gray, I mean pretty much any color you want. This boat does have a raised helm on it. Really nice, allows someone to sit here a little bit higher without having to do the flip up bolster seat. That way you can see over top of somebody that would be a little bit taller sitting up front. Does have the flip up table. I like this because you can slide coolers underneath of it, but it also flips down out of your way when not in use. A lot of really good contouring on the seats. Of course, the flip down armrest. It's one of the most comfortable pontoon boats that you're ever going to sit in. Rear view mirror up here. LED lights absolutely everywhere. So as I said before, color changing LED lights. Lights in the speakers, cup holders, under the seat bases, in the tower, underwater, and under the rub rails along the back, as well as the jeweled lights up front. One thing you will notice on this model, everywhere you see a mouse hole cut out where these cup holders are, there's going to be a double USB port in all of them. So, you know, in the case of this boat, two here, two in the back, two in the very back, two at the helm, plus a wireless cell phone charger at the helm. So tons of power options on board the boat. Stainless steel walk-through door going out the front. Really nice touch. Even when this is shut, you can still see out the front of the boat. So if you're docking the boat or pulling it up onto a trailer, you don't have to open that gate just to see out the front. So it's done really well, as well as an in-floor ski locker. So really nice boat. It's probably our most popular luxury pontoon boat at this point. If you have any questions about this or any other boat you see online, by all means, pick up the phone and give us a call. We look forward to talking to you.